So, you have decided to go for ACCA. That's great, but here's a question most students never ask until it's too late. What else should I learn alongside ACCA? See, clearing exams is one thing, but what actually gets you the job or helps you grow in the job are the skills you build around the syllabus. Today, we will talk about 7 skills and tools that every ACCA student should start learning early. These are not just random skills to add into your resume. These are real tools used in real world, day in and day out. And the best part, you don't need a fancy degree or 5 years of work experience to learn them. You can start learning them right now. The first skill is Microsoft Excel. Let's be honest, if you are in finance and you don't know Excel, you are basically blindfolded in a cockpit. From solving practice questions to analyzing mock test scores, Excel can make your ACCA prep faster and sharper. And in real world, budgeting, reconciliation, cash flow analysis, almost every team uses Excel every single day. Learning basic formulas is not enough. You need to know pivot tables, VLOOKUP, maybe even few macros. Trust me, this is the first skill every recruiter silently expects from you. Second skill, financial modeling. Now imagine, you can build a complete business in Excel. Not just record the numbers, but actually project them. And that's what financial modeling does. It helps you to connect the P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow like putting together a Lego set of companies. During ACCA, this makes the subjects like financial management or strategic business reporting much more easier to understand. And in real job, if you are in corporate finance, FP&A or even valuation, this is a gold mine. Companies don't just want accountants anymore. They want people who understand how money moves inside the business. Third skill, ERP and accounting softwares like SAP, Oracle and Tally. You might clear all 13 papers, but the moment you step into your first job, they'll ask you, do you know how to use our system? ERP tools like SAP, Oracle or even Tally in India, these run the real accounting process of any company. Now, you don't need to be a software expert, but you should know how the transaction flows, how entries are posted, or how reports are generated. It's not in your ACCA books, but it makes your books make sense in real life. Fourth skill, business intelligence and data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau. These are the game changers. Imagine this. Your manager asks you for a quick update on cost. You could send a 10-line Excel table, or you could send a clean dashboard that shows the story in one glance. Tools like Power BI and Tableau let you present your financial data the way business team loves to see it. And here's a secret. People remember the person who made their life easier, and that person can be you. Fifth skill, SQL and database skills. I know what you are thinking. SQL sounds very technical, but let me explain it very simply. Think of SQL as a way to talk to a huge data set. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of Excel rows, SQL lets you put exactly what you need in seconds. In audit, risk or analytics team, this is a superpower. You don't need to be a coder. Just knowing how to fetch the right data makes you 10x more useful than someone who waits for the IT guy to get help from. Skill number 6, programming and data analysis like Python are not compulsory, but if you are curious, this one opens new doors. Python is used in automation, fraud detection, forecasting, even audits. Let's say you want to check trends across 50,000 transactions. Python can do it in one script. ACCA has already introduced data analytics certificates, and that's the sign where the things are headed. Learning just the basics gives you an edge in fintech, analytics, and even consulting roles. Seventh skill, cloud accounting tools like Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage. Gone are the days of desktop software. Most startups and firms now use cloud accounting, real-time ledgers, accounted entries, and remote access. And here's the good news. Platforms like Xero offer free certifications. So before your first job, you could already show that you are trained on the tools they actually use. And that's the kind of stuff that makes your CV stand out without even saying a word. Before we wrap up, let me say this very clearly. ACCA will teach you what to do, and these tools and skills, they'll teach you how to do it. The students who succeed aren't always the toppers. They are the ones who quietly build the right skills while the others were only chasing the marks. So, if you are serious about making ACCA count, start picking up the tools now. Even if you learn just one tool every 2 months, you will be far ahead than the time your exams are done. And if you have any queries about ACCA, we will help you and answer your all doubts, just like we always do.